Hi, Sarah. How have you been?
Hi, Ben. I've been great. How about you?
I'm good too. Have you traveled anywhere exciting lately?
Yes, actually. I went to Japan a few months ago.
Japan? That's awesome. Which cities did you visit?
I visited Tokyo and Osaka.
Nice. What did you think of Tokyo?
Tokyo is amazing. It's so busy and full of life. I love the Shibuya crossing.
I've seen pictures of that. It looks crazy. Did you visit any temples?
Yes, in Kyoto. The Fushimi Inari Shrine was my favorite. The red torii gates are beautiful.
I've always wanted to see those. Did you try any interesting food?
Yes, I tried sushi, ramen, and even some strange snacks like octopus balls.
Octopus balls? Were they good?
Surprisingly, yes, they are called takoyaki and they're delicious.
I'll have to try them someday. I went to Spain last summer.
Spain is wonderful. Which cities did you visit?
I went to Madrid, Barcelona, and Seville.
Love Barcelona. Did you visit the Sagrada Familia?
Yes, it's incredible. Gaudi's architecture is so unique.
Absolutely. What about Seville? Did you see a flamenco show?
Yes, I did. It was very passionate and energetic. I also visited the Alcazar.
The Alcazar is beautiful. Did you try any Spanish food?
Yes, I had paella, tapas, and churros with chocolate. Tasty.
Yum! I miss Spanish food. Did you learn any Spanish phrases?
A few. I can say hola, gracias, and una cerveza, por favor.
Haha, that's useful. I learned some Japanese phrases too, like konnichiwa and arigato.
It's fun to learn new languages when traveling. Do you have any plans for your next trip?
I'm thinking about going to Australia. What about you?
I'd love to visit Canada next. The nature there looks amazing.
That sounds great. Let's keep each other updated on our travels.
Definitely. Safe travels, Sarah.
Thanks, Ben. You too.